This is Little John. He's about 6 or 7 years old. He is a male poodle mix. Little John came from a very bad hoarding situation where he was locked in a bathroom for 5 years with no human interaction. So he is still learning to trust people, and with that he needs a very patient and understanding owner. Best with no kids or cats or other dogs. If you're interested, contact us at info@underdogaz.com. Find all of our adoptable pets at www.underdogaz.com. We are also on Facebook and Instagram.